Beginning in 1999, Volvo started using cartridge-style oil filters, which was kind of a throwback to something from the 50s and 60s. These days, however, they use plastic housings on the cartridges, and this can be a problem as these cars age. Now, the Volvo factory tool is aluminum, and sometimes when you over-torque the factory tool, it will crack grabbing this. This is our budget standard duty end user tool for just your average shade tree to use. It's made out of stamped steel. Goes on here and turns this. If you've got one that's over torqued, it is possible to actually need more pressure than this tool will handle. We make this really for a lot of our shop customers. It's made out of laser cut steel. It's quite thick and very strong and virtually impossible to exceed the strength of. So if you want a little bit more than the factory tool or a base model tool, consider one of these.